Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Pepe update today. So I think that Pepe is now really bad again. I tried to even take the trade on the private. Actually reached like 2.5% with this trade, but then again it actually didn't play out. So I was expecting this to go up. And Bitcoin also made a fake out at the same time. So if you look at Bitcoin, yes, it actually even retested, make everything. It was looking to, probably move up to 63,500 one more time. But then again, came down, right? So we're still down one more time, and that's pretty much how it is. So fake out did happen, and Pepe as well is on the verge of making another consolidation. So if I take the trend line, and if I drop the trend line right here, then perhaps maybe this is how it looks like, or maybe the idea is to get this a little bit lower, and maybe down here this is going to be 7862. Now if you make it down to 7862, then this is what you have to understand. It is probably that you can even break below it and you go down, and this is going to be the worst case scenario, and you're going to see Pepe basically moving all the way down from there to there. And this could be a technical target that will come down, and we might even actually see this going all the way down to just a second here. So all right, so from there to there, yes, you can actually expect 5149 in the immediate future. Now if you want to save the day, then you really have to get above, break above here, retest, and then you probably shoot from here to the upside. So these are this just quick update that and my thoughts about Pepe future, and let's just hope you don't really break below here and go down. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you the next one. Love.